Okay, so in this package, I have a new Galaxy Ultra phone in it, which actually will replace my older Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. Now first, I'm gonna cut this package open, and this is how it comes to you if you buy it from Samsung's own website or online shop. And inside this, you have one box that will have another box. Inside that, you will have the phone. So first, I'm gonna take out this box and throw this package out of the way. And then I'm gonna cut this tape, and I'm gonna fast forward this thing for you. And inside this box, you can see the invoice at the first, and then you have some kind of wrapping around the phone's box, which I will take out like this. And there you have the phone box. And yeah, it's the Galaxy S24 Ultra. You probably have seen the thumbnail or the title anyway, but I've also bought it in the titanium gray color because that's the halo color of the phone, and I really freaking love that color. Anyway, now let's do the unboxing of the phone. But I love putting those tabs. Now this is an Apple iPhone style box. They copied Apple literally in this department. Now I'm going to open the box and you can see the phone. I mean, in the background, you can see the titanium color. It's amazing, but I'm going to focus on the phone later. So let's see the accessories first. So you have some documentations and USB Type-C to Type-C accessory, and which you will also get, which I also got with the S22 Ultra, so it's nothing new. And you also have a SIM ejector pin. Somewhere I have to find, yeah. And here we have the SIM ejector pin. So I'm going to move all these things away from the table and focus on the phone. And I also did peel off the sticker at the back, which you don't have to look at. So, and peeling this thing off is so satisfying. Just listen to this. I'm going to press and hold the power button for a little longer because this is the first time it's booting. It will take time. But now we have the Samsung logo. So yeah, it's finally on. Now let's look at the phone. It looks gorgeous. Damn, man, it's so beautiful. I actually love the square design. I bought it because mostly of that. So I don't miss my S22 Ultra too much because it did also have a square design. It's kind of like the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra feel. And I'm showing you the S Pen here, which is having Bluetooth in it, which the S25 Ultra doesn't, but that doesn't really matter too much. Now I'm going to set up this whole phone using the S22 Ultra's backup stored inside an SSD. But for you guys, look at the phone. I mean, damn, man, this is so gorgeous on a phone. Look at the display. I mean, like, I have already updated it to OneUI7. Even though it came out of the box with OneUI 6.1, I have upgraded it to OneUI7 to have all the latest features that I really love. I love the new always-on display customization options, the now bar, and so many more things in it. The best thing about this compared to the S22 Ultra is probably the screen. It's much more brighter and it stays on the higher brightness for longer than the S22 Ultra under direct sunlight. And then you have the flat panel, and look at this titanium frame. I mean, yeah, it's not glossy, it's not that jewelry feeling anymore, but it does have a premium heft to it and premium feel to it. I like it, but I'm not loving it as much as the armor aluminum of the S22 Ultra. But the look of it hasn't changed from the S22 Ultra too much, so I actually don't miss my S22 Ultra now anymore. It does have tons of camera features and 200 megapixel main camera, which isn't a big upgrade for me. The 50 megapixel 5x camera, probably a downgrade, probably not, because it also allows you to shoot up to 200 megapixel 10x photo. The log recording is there with OneUI7. There is a 3x camera that also can take 200 megapixel photo as well using software and algorithm. So overall, in the first impression, I want to say that this titanium gray color under direct sunlight, it looks like kind of goldish, but on other times it kind of looks like a grayish white color. It's very unique. I really love it. So it's definitely going to be interesting to see how it will perform in real life in my next upcoming videos. So keep an eye on this channel or come back to this channel. I will definitely do a lot of videos on this phone.
And yes, if you feel like you need some really cool wallpapers for your devices, whether it's a tablet or a smartphone or even a laptop, Well, I have some crazy cool 8K wallpapers, stunning designs, and amazing colors. Visit my website, joindavid.com, link down below. And until the next one, bye and take care.